Hey, what's up, everyone? Everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones here, coming live and direct. Today, we're going to talk about how to fix those rounded shoulders. Typically, when you have these rounded shoulders, it is indicative that you are suffering with office syndrome. And also, if you want to know more about office syndrome and how to reverse it, go ahead and click the link above where you can register. We're having a class this August 1st at 7 p.m. at the Hive. So click above to get all the information, and I will see you there. All right, now let's get back to business. We're talking about office syndrome and rounded shoulders. Typically, when your shoulders are rounded, the rhomboids are super duper duper tight. So you really want to open up the chest so you can improve your posture. So what we're going to do is, you see I have this gentleman right here laying on the foam roller. I don't know if you move your hand. See the foam roller's long. It's touching his low, mid, and upper back. And I'm going to have him do some nice chest opening exercise. So I want you just to bring the hands up facing each other. And we're going to bring him back and open it up. See, it's like a little snow angel going on right now. So go ahead and bring it up. Again, we're getting a little bit more movement in there, getting some more mobility in the joint capsule, and most importantly, opening up those pecs. Keep it going. All right, you feel the stretch in the pecs? Yep. Perfect. So you're going to keep continuing that. I like to do this for maybe about a minute, and this really helps to free up all the muscles so you can get your range of motion back and improve your posture. And if you need any more information on office syndrome, or just how to fix yourself, please go ahead and leave it in the comments below, or you can direct message me. And you can either check me out this Thursday at the Hive for the office syndrome class, or you can also book your pain-free me mobility session. All right, everyone, this is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, saying have a pain-free day. Until next time.